Ito sa mama ko, yumao na siya ng 2009, August 14 ba yun? Kami namang magkapatid, alaala ko pa, nasa Calyari kami. Nagkita-kita nga kami noon. Si Kuya Chef ko at saka si Pangga. So, itong kanta na to, para kay mama talaga, nagustuhan to niya na nung hindi pa namatay yung mama namin. Okay. Ito ngayon, ipaparinig ko sa inyo. Okay, guys. Para sa kay mama ko. Can't Be With You Tonight by Joy Borgia. If my love wasn't here with me tonight, I would lay with you for just a little while. But I love the same way as I love you now, and I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Do I want to hold you in my arms tonight? I wouldn't think the days could be won't be right. Many ways we made again some other night. Just tonight I only share my love with you. So please understand my situation. I love you. I can never be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share with you. All right. Thank you! Thank you so much and subscribe my channel, Eddie Boards. Okay? Thank you so much.